Here's a pair of Sony earbuds. Model number is in the description. I'm going to show you how to factory reset these. You want to factory reset these if you have problems connecting or pairing to a device, or maybe one side's not working, or one side has lower volume than the other, or it keeps disconnecting, or maybe it's out of sync, and so on. So I'm going to show you how to do a manual factory reset just using the case, all right? So if you look on the back here, you have this button here, okay? So first thing is, let's go ahead and factory reset these. Make sure the buds are in the case, and you have that button here. Okay, I'm gonna press and hold that button. Ready, set, go. I'm gonna press and hold, and I'm gonna wait till the light here starts flashing orange. Okay, I'm still holding here, still holding. It's gonna blink blue. Don't worry, just keep holding here. Wait, just wait. Okay, when it turns orange, go ahead and let go, and give it a moment until the lights turn off. Okay. Okay, you just factory reset it now. Okay, so now if I just pull these out, these should automatically be in the pairing mode now. Now the thing is, because we just factory reset these, before I was paired to my iPhone here, okay? So if I want to connect back to this iPhone, I have to go into my Bluetooth settings. So I'm gonna go to settings, I'm gonna go to Bluetooth here, and then you can see under my devices, this is my paired devices here, these two right here, and I was paired to this phone here before. So I can't pair back to this. I have to click on the information, and I have to forget this device. If you're on an Android phone, it's like unpair or delete. Let me forget this device. Okay. Now it should pop up here now. Okay, if it doesn't, then I'm just going to put it back in the case here. Just wait one moment. Okay, now I'm going to go ahead and pull this out. And now I'm going to give it one more moment. I might have to turn the Bluetooth off and turn it back on. Let me just turn off Bluetooth. I'll turn it back on to rescan here. And voila, it's back on, that WF down there. Tap on that, and now I'm connected back to my iPhone. So pretty simple. Any questions or issues, just comment below.